What does a car accident lawyer do? Get a free case evaluation. A car accident lawyer help victims build person injury claims and seek compensation for the damages. Other drivers case. Car accident can result in significant injuries that can take years to heal, and in many cases, the victims never full recover. If you have been hurt in an accident and you were not at fault, a car accident lawyer can help you build your case and file for compensation in a timely manner. The team at John for Sites can begin build your case with a free consultation. What a car accident lawyer can do for your case. The main goal of a car accident lawyer the getting you financially compensation to cover your expensive like medical bills, vehicle pair of replacement, lost wages, permanent disability, pain and suffering, loss of cost. Car accident lawyers are personal injury lawyers who specialize in tort law. Car accident there are a number of ways they can help you pressure the fleet's combination possible. Here are some of the many things an auto accident lawyer does when working with an injured driver. Help you understood your right. Most people are not well versed in personal injury laws regarding car accident. Because of this, when an accident does happen, it's completely understandably if you don't know what your full rights are. If you were not at fault for the car accident, you should not have to pay for damage resulting for it. The laws around car accident injury were poor state in Georgia. The at fault part in any injury accident is able liable for all damages, and the injured part can seek compensation for their damage per. You lawyer can go through all relevant laws that apply to your case. They helps you understood what your rights are and how you can legal protect yourself, making you think you have little choice in how you cases goes. However, you likely have more power than realized. Officer legal advice. After you get in a accident, you might get a lot of differing advice. Maybe you look online and see a article saying one thing, they you talk to a friend or family members and they give you their opinion on what you should do. It get conversation quickly and level leave you wondering how to best approach your case.